Menteri Khuborjylla Berdepek Ekatanat Community and Rural Development CNRD UIT Mondal mentakasngi ke pratrik unailar ula Plie pa ke traditional market dan ke yau delang ke belatai hakasnong Lumdaitkhla Bhoirymbong. Katai ke yau delang kadai ke belatai lingba katanat Ministry of Tribal Affairs jong ke sorkar kami hakajinglut ke basan klur tingka ke badanru hadu ndripundrit li kidukan bagi pa kinyo ban syong yau bandi kimar kimata. Hakatai kesngi laidon langru do ba elhek Menteri Ketanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary uba daman ba lamari MLA ko umroy ba isnay hinch MDC ko umroy kong birani EDC ke ribhoy Dr. R Talang BDO Bhoirymbong Block ba ST Rempei rang ba asnong Lumdaitkhla Bhoirymbong lembat kiwe. Habakren na ketiga jingyalang UIT Mondal uloong bakani kayaw kan ajing mentoy shibo ni kipai ba nong syong yaw na markani kayaw kabala Plie menta kan pelat ikipai ba nagajing sya iuslap bat kamtam nagajing kapnya. Uloong rup kani kayaw kan Shillong kawin ni kayaw kabapaw Khuborjylla Henry kadon kampat ikajing tereshitam de kinong syong yaw bakumno nla ban kring ikipai ba kamtam ye kinong jengok kai perthai.
And just traveling through the gardens of Eden because the beautiful view that this area presents, it is mesmerizing, it is unmatching, it is like somewhere you are in Switzerland and all these things. And not only that, only 1.5 months back we were here with Honorable Chief Minister to inaugurate the block integrated development complex here in Bhoirymbong. And this block is also related to me. Because his father, Lamar's father, he was a dear friend of mine, and we together fought for new blocks, and that's how I got a new block. Manhattan got this block, Bhoirymbong block, Bahai got his Mopar block. We together fought at that point of time. So your block and my block, age-wise, they are born together. So that's how also I am linked to this area. And today I am very happy that I am standing here in front of you with immense pleasure to mark a significant milestone in the development of this successful completion and inauguration of this traditional market at Bhoirymbong. As Bahak has told that how he has gone and got this program, it is sanctioned by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and the administrative approval was granted on 3rd April 2020 and then tender process was initiated by DRDA NONCO. But the thing is that any major project always encountered in legal complications, so a case has been filed in the Honorable Meghalaya High Court. But whatever the High Court ruling has been given, that has been incorporated. And these legal challenges were met with, and ultimately the tender process was completed, awarding the work to Khubor construction. Today, Manhattan was supposed to come, but he could not come due to some other thing. I would like to thank him also because he took initiative to complete this project as early as possible, though it is completed as per report on 22nd August 2024, but we took some time to inaugurate it because of some other problem. The complex is having around 66 stalls, and all are broke. Usually what happens in local market or daily market, you sit in the open market, you got to fight out with the rain, you got to fight out with the dust, sun and everything. Today we are having a complex where we know that designated shops are there, the designated stalls are there, and it is very organizedly made, and it will be able to put the products in safe storage and easier transaction for the buyers and also the sellers. This will be a milestone for the entire locality to have an opportunity to engage themselves into business activities. Our Honorable Chief Minister's vision is that Meghalaya should have $10 billion economy, and he is working day and night to see that the state achieves this $10 billion economy. Now, Meghalaya is basically living into the villages. Unless the villages economy are improved, Meghalaya will never be able to get and achieve this $10 billion economy. He wants that business should be having the opportunity that the traders can do their business at ease. And that's how he is pumping a lot of money to the rural areas to uplift the economy of rural areas. Even through CNRE department, we are engaged day and night to see that the benefits reach to the poorest masses of the country so that their economy is improved. We are having self-help group, which was at the onset of MDA government in 2018. Only 5,000 self-help groups are there. Today I can tell you that we are having around 52,000 self-help groups. We have lots of Lakhpati Didis today. Lakhpati Didis means the cons who will have minimum 1 lakh money into their account. Last January on 10th and 11th we had a cabinet retreat in Sora, where our Honorable Chief Minister has directed us that no more Lakhpati Didis or Lakhpati cons. They should be millionaire, they should have minimum 10 lakhs into their account, and we are working on that.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.